With cap sheet flashing separating at the seams, previous repairs failing, and a ballasted photovoltaic solar panel system, this career training academy had a difficult roofing problem. Tough to trace leaks, failing drain seals, and an aging membrane further complicated the rejuvenation plan. The roof coating pros at J3 Systems in Albuquerque knew exactly what product to offer and were proud to present Castagra's Ecodur. Fast curing, zero-VOC, and extremely tough Ecodur is ideal for situations where solar power systems need to be returned to service ASAP. Tenant, or in this case student, disruption must be minimized, and long-term strength is mandatory. The crew began by sweeping, power brooming, wire brushing, and blowing all loose dirt and granules from the surface. They then power washed the drains and allowed them to dry completely while replacing all wet insulation and repairing. HVAC units on risers were cut in before they were lifted to complete a monolithic membrane over the entire roof. Solar mounts were moved to allow for cleaning and coating and were able to be replaced the next morning, leaving the school with minimal time without solar generation. Finally, squeegees and rollers were used to apply a minimum of 30 mils uniformly across the entire roof surface. Because of Ecodur's extreme adhesion and the ability to always rebond to itself, this project was able to be completed in sections without interfering with classes below or creating any weak areas. If you would like help finding a Castagra certified applicator for your project, or would like to become a Castagra certified applicator, visit www.castagra.com.